We already have videos live on the channel in both Hindi and English where we showed you how you can make your voter ID card. However, in those videos, we showed the process on a computer. But what if you don't have a computer and you still want to make a voter ID card? Can you do so from a mobile phone? Well, that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, as this is how you can make your voter ID card from your mobile phone in easy steps, a step-by-step guide, so don't skip this video. Hello everyone, I'm Ania for Fiiber by India today, and before we get rolling with the rest of the video, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is download the Voter Helpline app from the Play Store if you have an Android phone, or you can also do so on the App Store if you have an iPhone. By the way, I've also put both the Android and iOS links in the description below, so you can of course check out the links and download the correct app. So now install the Voter Helpline app and then open it. After that, you'll see a layout like this. So you need to select the option for new users because first of course we have to sign up. So first enter your mobile number. After that, when we go ahead, enter your first name and last name and enter a password which should start with a capital letter, and it should also include a special character like an exclamation mark or an @ sign. And now enter the OTP that you've received on your phone and submit it. Now we need to log in. So enter your mobile number here, enter the password that you just set, and now enter the OTP you received and then select login now. Now you'll see many options here. You need to ignore all of them and then directly select the voter registration option. Now select form 6 here and proceed further. Select the let's start option here, then you have to select yes, applying for the first time option, and now click next. Now you need to fill in everything here carefully, such as state, district, assembly constituency and a date of birth. Here you need to select which document you want to upload. So you can upload your birth certificate, there's Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card or mark sheets of class 10th and 12th. So upload your document accordingly. Now you also need to keep some things in mind, that the file format should be JPEG or JPG, and the size of the document should be less than 2 MB. Now click next, and on the next page you need to upload your photos. So again, keep some things in mind, that the file format should be JPEG or JPG, and this time around the file size should be less than 200 KB. So scroll down and now select your gender. Now enter your first name, and once you have entered your name, the translation will appear in Hindi as well. So check the spelling carefully. Next you enter your surname, then you enter your Aadhaar number, then you enter your mobile number, and then you enter your email ID. Then if you have any disability, you can tick the box, or otherwise you can leave it and click next. Now on this page you need to fill in the details of any of your family members who have a voter ID card. So I am selecting the father option. Then enter their name and surname here, and of course their name will also appear in Hindi as well. So verify it and click next. Now on this page you need to fill in your address and fill it in very carefully, guys. Please remember one more thing, that you need to provide proof of the same address. So I will be selecting Aadhaar card here. Of course there are many other options. Select whichever you find it easy and of course upload it. And once again the format will be the same, JPEG or JPG, and the file size would be less than 2 MB. Once sorted, click next. Now you need to fill in the details of your family members who have a voter ID card. So again, I am selecting the father option. So enter their name and surname, and the name will appear in Hindi. Verify the details and click next. Now you have reached the declaration page. So first of all, you need to select the state here, and then the district, then fill in the village or town below, and then select for how long you have been living at the address, and then click done. Now check the details very carefully once again to see if everything is correct or not, and once sorted, confirm it. Once confirmed, on the next page you'll receive a reference number which you can use to track the updates on your card. And just like that, in a matter of few days, your voter ID card will reach your home. Of course, I share this video with anyone who needs this, and remember, every vote counts, so do vote. Thank you for watching.